again. Splash in every little puddle, leave a happy trail. Clean and slimy little buddy, every tall tale. Play a game of leapfrogs with your friends so bright. Chasing fireflies at dusk, bathing in the moonlight. Sing a song of croak and chirp, let your voice be loud. Every tiny creature listens, every leaf and cloud. Hop along, little frog, bouncing with delight. Every jump's a rainbow, even in the night. Through the ferns and flowers, hopping here and there. In your world of wonder, without a single care. In the pond so blue and clear, catch a glimpse of fun. Every jump and every cheer shines just like the sun. Dance with dragonflies and bees, make the moment shine. Life's a wonder, little frog, when joy's the bottom line. Tiny friends in every tree, bugs and birds and mice. Hopping through the world so free, everything feels nice. Underneath the willow tree, rest and take a breather. In the shade so